Hello everyone, myself Purnima, working as assistant professor in the Department of ECE at SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today I'll be presenting a case study discussion on the topic AM radio broadcasting. So introduction to the AM radio. It is one of the earliest radio broadcasting technologies which is carried in India, and it is specially suitable for the long distance communication for transferring the voice. And in AM radio broadcasting, our voice message that alters the amplitude of the carrier signal. The carrier signal is nothing but the low frequency signal, high frequency signal, which is being modulated by the message signal. And the history of radio broadcasting in India. So, first radio broadcast started at the year 1927, and All India Radio was established in the year 1936, and later it has changed its name as Akashvani in the year 1957, and different types of AM transmitters was developed in the year during the year between 1970 to 1990, and today AM is specially used for remote area coverage purpose. And how AM radio works. Initially, while we speaking, our voice is being recorded by the microphone, which is a transducer, which will convert our physical signal into an electrical signal. Later on, this is a low frequency audio signal. This cannot travel to the long distance receiver. So hence a modulator is used. In that modulator, this audio frequency signal is sent as one input, and another input is an oscillator input. This is an high frequency signal, and in the modulator area, the amplitude portion of the carrier signal, which comes from the oscillator, is being modulated by the amplitude of the our message signal, then which will convert this low frequency message into a high frequency signal called as radio frequency, and there is an amplifier is used for amplifying, boost the radio frequency signal, then which is transmitted through the antennas. At the receiver side, in the radio, you can tune the particular frequency and you can receive the particular channel signal. You can hear the music and some news. And continued importance in rural area. So, an AM radio broadcasting is especially used where the internet access is very, very limit. And also in the emergency situations and disaster management, this especially works well. And also, this is a simple setup for transmitting and receiving voice signals. Hence, it required less power. So, cost of the system will be very low when compared to all other broadcasting methods. And also, it will be useful for agricultural and weather information collecting areas. And technical challenges of AM broadcasting. So, as we know that AM carries the message in the amplitude portion, so it can easily get affected by the noise. So we know that noise is nothing but an unwanted signal that is surrounded in this environment. That could be other power lines, lightning effects, other radio signals or mobile signals, so electric motor sounds. So these are maybe the noise that may easily affects our message that is present in the amplitude portion of the AM signal. So we require an high large antennas. That is, we need to increase the height of antenna to reduce such noise effect. This is the major limitation in the case of AM broadcasting. That is, we need to increase the height of antenna to reduce the noise effects. And comparison of AM and FM broadcasting. In the case of AM provides a large coverage when compared to FM, but it has a main drawback, poor audio quality. But FM gives a better audio quality when compared to AM, and it has low noise immunity rather than FM. But it is very excellent for rural area. That is, AM is very, very excellent in the case of rural areas where the internet is very, very restricted one. But FM is limited if you have internet access is limited one. And the future of AM broadcasting. In the AM infrastructure, like AM transmitter and the receiver, they are doing many kind of upgradation in order to provide the superior audio quality delivery and reception. So this modern upgrade significantly enhances emergency communication capabilities too. Thank you.